Hi guys, it's the following day, and as you can see today's weather, it is really so sunny. The skies are blue. Wow, so beautiful, huh? Unlike those other days, unlike yesterday, let me say, yesterday it was so foggy, but this is how we view the trees. Over here, the area is always so green and beautiful. The nature is superb. So, I want to take you there to my shamba so that I can show you how the area looks like, okay? You see, it's so sunny. The skies are blue. Wow, nice. Today my cow is feeding outside. Look at the trees, guys. Today you can view the area. The area looks so beautiful. Green. Look at that. Look at the trees there. You can now view it, or you can view the trees. View them. Yeah. Wow. So that's how the nature always looks like, guys, over here. Yeah. Without the fog, it is really so beautiful. Okay. And Mount Kenya forest, guys. Mount Kenya forest is always there, somewhere there. I can go somewhere and show you properly. I can view it how it looks like, and it is so beautiful. So that is tea plantation over there. That is our farm. Up there we've planted some avocados. Okay, look at the nature. It is really so beautiful. Look at the trees. Wow.